Hello mga katuto! Welcome to One-on-One TV and Tutorials. Ang lesson natin ngayon ay factoring polynomials given one factor. The given polynomial is x raised to 4 plus 8x cubed plus 11x squared minus 32x minus 60. And the given factor is x minus 2. And we are going to find the other factors. The first step here is to equate the given factor into 0. So, x minus 2 equals 0, then the value of x now is 2. Then after that, gamitin na natin ang synthetic division. In my previous lesson or video, na-discuss ko na ang synthetic division. So, kunin lang natin yung mga numericals ng ating polynomial. So, 1, 8, 11, negative 32, and negative 60. So, pag sinulat natin yung mga given numbers, dapat magkakasunod pa rin ang arrangement niya. Then, ayan. Then, the number here is 2, which is the value of x. So, ilagay lang natin dito yung 2. Then, the next step is bring down the first number, which is 1. Then, 1 times 2 is 2. Then, add 8 and 2, that is equal to 10. Then, 10 times 2, that is 20. 11 and 20, the sum is 31. Then 31 times 2 is 62. Then add negative 32 and 62, that is equal to 30. Then 30 times 2 equals 60. And the last number here is 0. So, if we're going to write into its polynomial form, this is x cubed. Why x cubed? Because of this leading coefficient na x raised to 4. Magle-less 1 lang tayo, kaya naging x cubed plus 10x squared plus 31x plus 30. Since wala na tayong given factor, so try natin ang x plus 6. Then, equate natin into 0 para ma-solve natin or makuha natin yung value ng x. Then the value of x here is negative 6. So ilagay lang natin dito, negative 6. Then kunin pa rin natin ito, itong mga numbers na to, yung 1, 10, 31, and 30. So same arrangement pa rin dapat. 1, 10, 31, and 30. Then bring down the first number, which is 1. Then 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. Then add 10 and negative 6 is 4. Then 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. Then add 31 and negative 24, that is equal to 7. Then 7 times negative 6 is negative 42. Then 30 plus negative 42 is negative 12. Yung last number natin dito ay negative 12. Ibig sabihin, yung x plus 6 natin ay hindi siya factor. So, x plus 6 is not a factor of our polynomial. Okay? So, subukan naman natin ang x plus 5. So, x plus 5, then equate natin into 0 para makuha natin yung value ng x, which is negative 5. So, ilagay lang natin dito, negative 5. Then, kunin natin yung mga numbers, same numbers pa rin, yung 1, 10, 1, 10, 31, and 30. Then, bring down the first number, which is 1. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. Then, add 10 and negative 5, that is equal to 5. Then, 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. Then, add 31 and negative 25, that is equal to 6. Then, 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. Then, add 30 and negative 30, that is equal to 0. Since the last number here is 0, so meaning to say, x plus 5 is a factor of the given polynomial. So, kunin na natin itong 1, 5, and 6. Ilagay na natin or isulat na natin siya sa polynomial form. So this is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Then try na nating factor. So x squared, the factors are x and x. Since the last number here is 6, so kunin lang natin 6. Factors ng 6 ay 3 and 2. 6 and 1. Hindi na natin kukunin yung mga negative numbers kasi parehong positive naman ang ating given. Then pag kinuha natin yung sum, so this is 5 and the sum of this is 7. Since ang ating middle term, the numerical coefficient of the middle term is 5, so ito siya, kapareho siya rito. So ang kukunin nating factors ay 3 and 2. Since positive, so ilagay natin, so plus 3 and plus 2. So, yung other factors natin ay ito, yung x plus 5, susulat natin dito, x plus 5. And this one, ito, yung x plus 3, saka x plus 2. So, x plus 5, x plus 3, and x plus 2. Para mas lalo nyo pang maintindihan ang lesson natin ngayon, pwede nyo ring sagutan ang mga sumusunod na mga tanong. Sana nakatulong ang video na ito para mas lalo nyo pang maintindihan ang lesson nyo sa mathematics. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!